Hi nail queens, welcome back. Today I have a haul from TEMU. Where did they come up with these names, by the way? But yeah, I ordered some things from this company called TEMU, and funny enough, the day after I ordered these, they reached out to me on my business email address asking me to do like a sponsored video for them. So this video is per se sponsored by TEMU because they sent me $100 worth of nail goodies, but these two packages I actually did pay for with my own money. So I'll show you guys all those goodies and the stuff that TEMU sent that is nail related items. Okay, so I'm gonna move one of the packages out of the way, and that way I can start taking everything out of this one. I will also be filming the rest of the video facing down on this canvas mount that I reviewed a few months ago. So if you guys are curious about how this all looks, it's going to be on this mount. So the first order I placed with them is this one. It's basically all of this, and I can tell because I bought all these boxes because they were super affordable, because when you first sign up there's like a huge discount that you can get. I forget how much the percentage was, but it was a huge discount. And look, they're little boxes. I plan on taking these things out because I don't really use them, and using it to sell press-ons in, so for my bridal sets. But it was extremely affordable to get this on the first order. I wouldn't say I would repurchase. Oh, we are going on our honeymoon soon, so we already have passports, obviously, but I wanted a cute little passport book because the one we're currently using is definitely not meant for passport, and it's all kind of fruity and everything, so I want a him and her set. We both love blue, and we both love brown, so perfect for a his and her set. And I don't care which color I get or what he gets, so I know that we'll both definitely use it. And they feel really, really nice. I like those. Yes, I bought an eyeshadow palette because I want to see how I can do. I'm just gonna rip it out of the packaging. I hate excessive packaging. Yes, they're so bright and beautiful, but I want to do like aura nails and everything, and the pigment in eyeshadow palettes should work great for that. And since I'm not putting this on my face, I don't care if it comes from like a high quality brand or not. Some stickers. I like to add stickers to my customers' orders, like fun little cute things. So these are like book themed and very like vintage like flowers, stuff like that. Oh, there's a cat. I got this cute little dish, this little wooden dish thing. This will probably be nice either to put like nail implements or nail trinkets, but since it has like that wooden texture to it, I don't know if I would use it for nails or if I would put this like in my bedroom or my bathroom or something like that. There's so many places you can put things like this in. I also got some Debonder glue, not glue, glue Debonder. So this is supposed to be some kind of liquid that makes the glue debond. We'll try that out some other time. I bought this for my husband because he actually likes putting his cologne in little bottles like this so he can take it on his trips. So I bought this for him. I don't know how you're supposed to refill it though. Oh, through there? Is that how you do it? I'm gonna need him to show me how the hell you do this because I don't even know. But we'll see. We'll figure this out. I got more stickers because why not? And they're cute, and there's cats and donuts and stuff. Let's see what these look like. They're so pink and fun. I got these little coasters for the inside of your car, like where your drinks go. I got little coasters for them because cleaning that area out sucks. I got a watercolor thing for, there we go, a little watercolor palette, sorry for the glare, to do nail art on. It's great to use over matte nails. So if you paint your nails matte, give it a nice matte finish, it absorbs watercolor stuff really, really nice. So I'm excited to try that out. I like that it's in like this kind of tin, not like I know how to open it. It's like a cassette. If y'all don't know what a cassette is, you're too young. So look at that shine on them. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, let me put this back on before I make a mess. So that's the candy watercolor set. Oh, this I'm excited for. So every single time I do my monthly cards pick collab, trying to do a Nelfie while holding the cards is a pain. So let me show you. So you just put the cards on the stand. It's like a tarot card kind of thing. And you display the cards that were picked like that. So I can totally pose my Manny like right in front of the cards if I wanted to, like that. Or however, you could also do it like this in the smaller one. I didn't really care for the smaller one, but it came as a set. I wanted the larger one because many times I'll have 3 cards in the set for the cards pick collab. Okay, so the order they sent me of the $100 worth of products are here. It's already here, so I'm showing you guys like these kind of like shell things that I got. I actually just saw a reel on Instagram that shows how to use these, so I'm excited to give these a shot. Maybe I'll do it in a future video this summer so you guys can see how I plan on using these. But you can break them to make them smaller and everything, so they're not super like, they're firm but they're breakable, which is a good thing. You want them to be able to break. I bought some more of these lint-free wipes. I didn't like the other ones I had, so I was like, let me try these. I also got this set of press-ons just to see the quality. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't really care for them, so I actually already got rid of it. I got this palette here. It's a solid gel palette. I like the Model 1 solid gel, so I wanted to give other brands a try. And I love this neutral color palette that's in here. So I was like, ooh, that's going to be great for fall and everything. I want to definitely work with solid gel even more. By the way, there's a lot of gels in this video. I also got another eyeshadow palette, more neutral kind of palette, whereas the one I showed you guys earlier that I paid with my own money, that one was like more bright, so this one's more neutral. So I like that I have like both combinations. These glitter towers are amazing. I've already used the chunkier one, but I have a finer one and a chunkier one, and I really, they're so worth it, especially if you work with gel. I also got more glitter. Like, who doesn't need all the glitter? These are in like smaller trays. It can get messy, I think, so definitely have a paper towel underneath you if you're using these or if you guys decide to purchase them. But here you go, you can see like all the colors. And then I got some chrome powders because your girl loves chrome and my customers love chrome, so I love being able to like try these products out, see if they're worth using on my customers before I do. I also got these 3 beautiful little chromes. They're so cute. And then this glitter thing, there's like a glitter bomb that went off. Like, there's glitter everywhere, so I'm not gonna be taking this out and showing you guys. And stickers, you know I love my stickers. These, they're just so beautiful. They're textured. They're nice and flat. Like, they're very thin, but not like super flat, because obviously you want to be able to see that texture. So I really need to start using stickers on like my customers' orders. But boo-hoo, it does not fit in this sticker storage sleeve thing I got here, which sucks because most of my stickers are larger than the one I was just holding. With the summer season basically being here and it's like wedding season too, I love doing bridal nails with pearl accents and seashell nails with like these little pearls. So I got another one of these. I already have them, so I wanted more. I also got a gel polish kit. This one had like 6 different colors. Some are a little more sheer, some are a little more solid. So I'm just going to show you a couple colors, like 3 of them. So I already used this pink on a customer's order. Loved it. She loved it. It was amazing. This blue is absolutely beautiful. And the yellow is just like really stuck out to me. I don't know why, I've been really loving yellows lately. And the ml volumes are different. So I have a 8 ml on the set I just showed you, and then you can see on the left these like cat eye ones, they're actually smaller. So they're probably 5 ml if I had to guess, maybe 3 or 5 ml. They're really not that large. So if you're buying these in hopes to use them on customers, I wouldn't like really bank on being able to reuse them. I also got some gels in pots. So this one is like one of those that you can like swirl. They're really, really cool. So I got it in 2 colors, the gold and like the grayish. And then I got this is like a glitter topper. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. This is like a chunky orange. I probably should have used this on a customer recently because I gave her a chunky orange set. And then this like rose pink chunky glitter, and this blue. Oh my god, the reflex of the orange in this stole my heart. I love it. It's perfect for summer nails. And a bunch more gels, which I'm not going to show because they have a silver film, which is a pain to open on camera. I got some acrylic paint pens. These have like a very, very fine tip, which I really, really appreciate. These are hard to find, and I think these are definitely worth it. So look how fine this is. I love it. It was easy to prime. They're beautiful. I want to go back and order these in every single color. So far I have pink and white, but I want all of them. I also got these soft gel toe tips. So these, I don't know, I just wanted to give them a try, you know? Why not? They're like only a couple bucks, so affordable. And the one thing about toe tips is like you want them to be flexible because they're going on your toes. You need that flex, especially if you have shoes on and everything. So here I am bending them. You can see they're very easily flexible, but when you like bend them back to normal shape, that white line basically goes away. So that is all, folks, for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you guys have shopped from TEMU, let me know down in the comments what stuff you love to buy. Link stuff if you want to, because I want to check it out. I want to shop. I'm like always on their app as well as Shein, but like, yeah, is TEMU the new Shein? Someone let me know. AliExpress, let me know. Yeah, okay, bye.